Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding it until you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can go to the phone we want to pair our watch with. Make sure you have the Bluetooth enabled and internet connection. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness and tap on search. And you should see this application Mi Fitness, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear. Install it. Okay, and then we can open it. We can tap on start, check the box, tap on agree, select the region we want to use. So we can tap right here, scroll through the list, look for the region we want to use, tap on it, then tap on next. And you should see the homepage of the app. We can tap on device. As you can see, we need to log in into Xiaomi account. So if you don't have an account, you can always create a new one by tapping on create account right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna use my email address and password to log in. Give me a few seconds. Okay, and then we can check the box and tap on sign in. No, apparently I entered the password incorrectly. Let's check now. Okay, this time it's okay. So if you see this pop-up, you can tap on OK, and then we can go to our watch, tap on the arrow here, then select the language from the list of languages. I'm gonna select English. You can scroll down, and as you can see, it tells us to download the Mi Fitness and use it to pair the devices together. So I'm gonna tap on add device in the app, tap on agree, allow the required permission, and on the list of devices you should see your Xiaomi Watch 5. You can tap on it to select it. Here tap on pair, tap on next. Oh, we need to check the box first, my bad, and then tap on next. Scroll down, tap on I agree, allow the required permissions. Tap next. Right here we can copy Google account from our phone to our watch. This is useful if you want to use Google services on your watch, like Play Store, YouTube and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap on choose another account, and I believe you can then skip it. Yeah, you can skip it right here, but I'm just gonna use my account. So I'm gonna select it, confirm. Okay, here we can tap on next. And right here we have the prompt about the Gemini, how to use it. We can tap on next. And here we can agree to use the hands-free Hey Google. So basically, if you agree, you will be able to tilt your watch, like flick it, and the Gemini will start listening. If you tap on no thanks, it will be disabled. So if you like it, you can tap on agree. If you don't like it, you can tap on no thanks. And we can also set up a protection for our watch. So basically, if you take off your watch from your wrist, it will lock itself, and you will have either the pin or pattern to basically unlock it. I don't need this feature, but if you want to use it, you can tap on one of the options and set it up. And finally, we have the apps for your watch, and you can basically download additional apps if you want to by opening this list of recommendations and selecting the boxes next to them to install them. I don't really care about this stuff, so I'm gonna tap on skip, but you can select them if you want to. We can tap on done. Now the watch should appear on the device page. And if you go to your watch, it will just give you a tutorial how to use it. I'm gonna skip it, skip it, skip it. Okay, check mark. And now the watch should be ready to use. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.